Welcome to Gear vs. Outdoor. Looking for a reliable way to cook outdoors? The best camping stove windshield protects your flame from wind, ensuring efficient heating and fuel savings. Lightweight, durable, and easy to set up, it's a must-have for any camping adventure. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ODSD Stove Windshield. The ODSD Stove Windshield is a thoughtfully designed outdoor cooking essential that blends safety, convenience, and performance into one compact package, providing reliable protection against wind while keeping the flame steady for consistent cooking. This added windproofing also enhances safety by preventing flare-ups and protecting your hands from unexpected oil splashes. Built with dual burners delivering up to 20,000 BTUs, this stove offers plenty of power for boiling water, grilling meat, or frying your favorite camping meals with ease. Each burner is independently adjustable, giving you the flexibility to cook different dishes simultaneously. Despite its power, the ODSD is lightweight and highly portable, folding down to a compact 10.63 by 9.06 by 5.1 inches and weighing under 4 pounds. A durable carry bag makes transport simple, whether for camping, hiking, tailgating, or emergency use. It's a reliable companion for outdoor cooks who don't want to compromise on performance or safety. Number 2. HIKEAMN Stove Windshield. The HIKEAMN Stove Windshield is a practical, well-designed accessory for outdoor cooking enthusiasts who want both efficiency and flexibility. Its effective wind protection is achieved with a smart bottom groove design that allows airflow circulation, reducing fuel consumption while improving heat efficiency and shortening cooking times, giving you the option to place them at the front or side for added convenience when preparing meals. Its raised and thickened structure ensures excellent stability and durability even in windy conditions, while the desktop expansion hole adds versatility, as it can be paired with a light stand for nighttime cooking. For portability, the windshield features hollowed-out handles and a compact foldable design, fitting neatly into the included tote bag. With its strong construction, flexible assembly, and wide application for camping, BBQs, picnics, and more, the HIKEAMN Stove Windshield is a dependable choice for adventurous outdoor cooks. Number 3. HIKEAMN Camping Stove Windshield. The HIKEAMN Camping Stove Windshield offers a sturdy and straightforward solution for those who need reliable wind protection when cooking outdoors. Its three-sided design is thick and durable, creating an effective shield against gusts that can disrupt your flame. By stabilizing the cooking environment, it improves fuel efficiency and helps reduce cooking times, making it practical for camping, picnics, and backpacking trips. Despite its robust performance, the windscreen remains lightweight and portable, folding neatly into the included nylon pouch for easy storage and transport. Its compact folded size makes it easy to slip into your camping gear without taking up much space. Perfect for a wide range of outdoor activities, from fishing and hiking to car camping and float trips, the HIKEAMN Camping Stove Windshield provides dependable performance in a no-fuss, durable design. Number 4. KOYILTD Stove Windshield. The KOYILTD Stove Windshield is a versatile and thoughtfully designed windscreen crafted for outdoor cooking convenience. Made of high-quality, rust-proof metal, this durable piece forms a three-sided protective barrier that shields your stove flame from wind, making outdoor meal prep more efficient and stress-free. One of its standout features is the practical shelf at the top, perfect for holding seasoning bottles or small ingredients, which adds a level of functionality many outdoor chefs will appreciate. With an expanded size of 19.7 by 11.8 by 9.9 inches, it accommodates a variety of camping stoves, making it suitable for different cooking needs. When not in use, the KOYILTD folds down neatly into its included storage bag, measuring only 15.8 by 13 inches for easy portability. Ideal for campers, tailgaters, and outdoor cooking enthusiasts, this stove windshield strikes a balance between practicality and durability. Number 5. KeoPuals Stove Windshield. The KeoPuals Stove Windshield is built for outdoor adventurers who value durability and efficiency in their cooking setup. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it promises long-lasting performance, resisting wear and corrosion even through frequent outdoor use. One of its strengths lies in its versatility. The plates can be adjusted to fit different stove sizes and shapes, making it adaptable to various camping setups. Despite its sturdy build, the KeoPuals windshield is extremely portable, folding compactly to fit into your backpack or camping gear without taking up much space. Assembly is simple and user-friendly, requiring only a quick unfolding before it's ready to shield your stove. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or backpacking, this windshield ensures your cooking remains uninterrupted and efficient. With its durable stainless steel construction and practical design, the KeoPuals Stove Windshield is a reliable tool for enhancing your outdoor cooking experience. Finding the best camping stove windshield ensures your outdoor cooking stays efficient, safe, and enjoyable no matter the weather. With designs that enhance fuel efficiency, block wind, and add convenience, these windshields are must-have gear for any trip. Pick the one that matches your needs and enjoy stress-free meals on your next camping, hiking, or outdoor adventure.